On my recent trip to New York, I was lucky enough to visit Buffalo, home of the buffalo wing, and I've become slightly obsessed ever since. So I want to show you my version. It's actually quite easy to put together. We'll start with the coating for our chicken wings. So some plain flour into a bowl, along with some garlic powder. You could also add some onion powder, not too much, and a really good pinch of salt because we do need to season quite a lot of wings. Use a fork just to give that a mix. And we'll just pop that to one side while we get on to the famous sauce. Now, the famous sauce relies on a really good quality hot sauce. This one is fantastic. It's been fermented for 3 days and made with Aussie chilies, Cayenne chilies in fact, and you need quite a substantial amount. So we're gonna pop that into a pot. I also like this hot sauce because it's not screaming hot. It's got a perfect balance. It's also got a perfect amount of acidity in it. So in with our hot sauce, along with some butter. Butter goes in. And because this has to have a really big tang, I always add just another splash of vinegar, okay? Heat goes on. All right, while that's cooking away, onto the wings. So if you get the chicken wings just like this from the supermarket, take the wing tip off, great for stock, and the rest you just cut in half straight through the cartilage, super easy. All right, let's get our flour. We'll just start a bit of a production line here. With our wings, we'll just place them into our flour, give them a bit of a toss, and you want to cook this in batches in the oil. So that oil needs to be at 180 degrees, and I'll just carefully lower them. There is a bone in there, so it does need a few minutes to cook. So in they go. Once they're cooked, they'll come out and I'll do another batch. All right, chicken wings have come out of that piping hot oil and then in with our delicious fermented hot sauce. Lots of that over the top. And then we've just got to toss everything together. Completely coat those wings in the sauce. All right, I'm going to serve it the traditional way in a basket. And this for me is such fun food, pub food if you like. I would serve this with a chilled beer. And whenever you're serving buffalo wings, the iconic side has to be a blue cheese sauce. So it's just blue cheese with some cream cheese if you like, and some chives. The whole idea of the tang of the cream goes so nicely with the spiciness of the wings. Also, traditionally, it's served with some celery sticks. So celery sticks in the basket, and that's how you make the famous buffalo chicken wings. So good. Just make sure when you're making this, use a really good quality hot sauce.